Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given a plus b 60, a minus b is also 60. Then what is a times b? So let's start with today's video solution. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell. Here on the channel, we have daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So take a good look to this. So a plus b is 1. I'm consider is 60. I'm considering this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now add both the equation. So our left hand side a plus b plus a minus b is equals to 60 plus 60. Now a plus a is 2a and positive b will cancel out the negative b. This gives us 120. A is equals to 120 by 2, that is 60. So the value of a is 60. Now let's substitute the value of a in any of the equation to find the value of b. So a minus b is 60. If a is 60, then b is 0. So what we have to find? A times B, that is 60 times 0, which is equals to 0. So comment down below if you already found the answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.